Sabi nga, quarterly in the mentioned amounts earlier, and the disbursement, the reported disbursement of the Office of the President is exactly as released. No? So, ibig sabihin, nagagastos po lahat per quarter. Ni isang kusing ay walang natitira po, no, sa cash disbursements. No? Every single peso is spent. Does the sponsor confirm na quarterly, wala po ni isang butal, ni isang sentimo, ni isang piso na natitira? Ubus po lahat ito.
Mr. Speaker, Honorable Colleague, tama po yun. Efficient po ang pag-utilize ng Office of the President ng pondong ito. Okay.
So 100% utilization per quarter ang confidential and intelligence funds. Okay. This is unlike, ano po ba ang utilization ng Office of the President for its regular budget?